So that one doesn't feel the best. This one feels smoother, right? Feel that?
Yeah.
Oh, this one kind of like fights me.
Yeah.
Lean back against me. Thank you. Turn your palms face up. Good. There you go. Now try to let this muscle go right there. Good. And then you're gonna feel like this little groove come up. Yo.
Oh sh. Oh fuck me, dude. Holy sh. If you have an editor, I apologize to the editor.
It's okay. There's just gonna be a lot of bleep 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 bleep.
For real, yeah. Like I can't even talk now.
You ever had anything like that?
Cracking like that? No. I've had adjustment on my neck, but not to that extent.
That was huge.
Yeah.